Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will see how to make a toiletry bag from fabric scraps. The link to download the pattern is in the description under the video. Please feel free to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future video. To make this tutorial you will need the pattern, 3 different fabrics for the outside and the fabric for the lining. Cut the different fabrics. Cut the pattern seam allowance to cut your interfacing. For this tutorial, we are using a mid-weight interfacing. Interface the outer pieces of the pouch. Place the small bottom piece on the top piece face to face and stitch. Place the second bottom piece on the top piece face to face and stitch. Top stitch the pieces. Trim the excess fabric. Mark the center of the top of the pouch face as well as that of the lining and zipper. Place one side of the zipper on top of the outside of the pouch face to face, then place the lining on top face to face and stitch. Flip over and top stitch. Do the same with the second side. Fold the loop towards the middle on the long side, then in half and stitch both sides. Slide the loop through a ring, then place it on the top side of the pouch face to face and stitch. Pin the darts of the outside. Mark the location of the lining darts and pin them in place. Stitch the darts. Place the outer on the outer face to face and the lining on the lining face to face and stitch all around, leaving an opening on the lining to turn the pouch inside out. Don't forget to open the zipper beforehand. Flip the pouch over. Stitch the lining opening. If you like the video, don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials.